and welcome to watching the Bosco Media Network. This is Molly Saurambai, bringing you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us take a look at the headlines for today. Nangkrasiu Thia organizes winter football camp in Nongpo. It is important to fail to achieve success. AITC MP Derek O'Brien shares success mantra. Prime Meghalaya and Somersault releases a new song, I Have a Dream. And Marwet Sojair Committee organizes the 4th Sojair ceremony. And now the news in detail. Nangkrasiu Thia Players Youth Club Nongpo initiated the football coaching camp in NSCA filed on the 17th of January. This coaching camp was inaugurated by Lambok Star Rambai, President Nongpo Sports Association, accompanied by Ellington Siem, Kraubok Singli, Penkret Nongse, numerous young boys and girls and small children within the age group of 7 to 14 years. The organizers of this football coaching desires to produce skilled athletes, both boys and girls, who will bring glory to the state and family by participating and winning in different arenas.
Ngilai ba bun ke asian bun ki club ki lak pelong ke tournament dari kum kini kucing kam ke kongsan bahai meksia knaret banai ke platform ban yo jingkan na tolong kumno ban ilak kai football na ku play ke rong kesu ke bala sim khia ke kam ke ba kongsan bahai ke kam ini knaret bat ku kum ki player lak kai ngong in batai liat ye mesia knaret ba phuan ilak kai hang ne kucing hang ne wat kwa bangan lok no ku Messi ne bangan yo henry one ban enjoy tume one hang ne ban madan wat kwa bangan le kane bangan mla the one shim ko ball enjoy sngap ko lek kai kumno lek kai sku tenat one nom ting one rit ban sim persyang ban lek kai dangam nang ban shoot ro persyang
mar haru unta mi ba ki player ki duna bhanar thamri bhoi ban ki mi shabar lani ban lek kai na ki team ki be khamtam ki ISL lani ki tim India mo di bargum ju kendiat ngako ban mai phang halo kan ka coach free coaching camp jung hikai ne football kam de be hikai tang football ru ha pe khana rat nge de ru bargum ju kumno ben hikai ke discipline kumno bakin kumno bakin yai kumno bakin long ki player ki discipline ha kam pur ki rukom kumno ban bamandi kumno ban thia bandam bargum ju ha ki wan ne ka coaching camp ni ai ru ka jing kaman ki ngi be sisa ki khana rat ki yo ka jing kaman ha ki la kai te kumta nge karpat ki bi ba baki de ban pha ki khon ki khana jung ki Shakum kane ka jihika.
While interacting with over 1,200 students of Don Bosco Higher Secondary School in Turang, Member of Parliament and leader of AITC Parliamentary Party Rajya Sabha, Derek O'Brien, on the 17th of January, motivated the students to work hard and shared his recipe for success. He exclaimed, "If you really want to be successful in life, it is important to experience this 4-letter word, fail." Talking about the experience of the lively interaction, Sundarabi Sangma, a teacher, expressed gratitude towards Derek O'Brien since he speaks about the importance of failure, unlike many people who praise only success. The phrase, "failure is a stepping stone to success," is rightly acknowledged, conveyed by O'Brien, added Father Andres Bana.
My last question to you before I end. You need to do all of this, but you need to do one more thing to be successful in life. I promise you that's what I've learned. And that is a 4-letter word. It's a 4-letter word. And if you really want to be successful in life, it is important you experience this 4-letter word. What is that word?
The founder of Somersault, Kit Shangpliang, and the director of Meghalaya Basin Development Authority, Iban Swear, in collaboration with Prime Meghalaya, released a new song entitled I Have a Dream in Shillong Press Club on the 17th of January. The two forces informed the people that the song desires and hopes that it will inspire and motivate youngsters and everyone in the state to dare to stand on their own feet with entrepreneurship and not to waste precious time expecting a government job.
Kan dia dikatu bangtan numera tim haring di kajing tu jong kene ka jing why kebangi I kateng I have a dream kadai bet kuno ban ban I sim jakini ki samla bat ki brio ki bat sengi ki kam jong nama ba hakani kari jong ni ngai thu mane ba kadang ko kasi ng mga dikitan Smith Jongsha may gandu yung way bangba bulan ukun ba afternoon snen hadin boleh tu ong ba ukun nga umlei umdan kam te nakali kung tala afternoon snen suli sial te ong katar kam dei mo kam te ngide ban buram ya ai ka ba ki kun ki ti jungi ki sama jungi ki persang ban nyakri ki persang ban le ai ya gajing in te hadin kata gajing keren nga sa ong yuru mong pet Shillong wat ini skibi pat jela ki bari sial ki de ki bari ruspa ki de ki ba la ban penyai gajing in te kumu pi perkhat ba ko jong pi tang ma kita itai kam ki siar ki ang pansukun no ba umdon kam te kani gajing wa namar kata-kata ko de gajing khot ru mi ki pa ya ki nong yalam snong ya ki nong yalam jong ki kron ba fer ba kin snotho ba ni dei ban kershan iki samla jungi pa hakni kapor ringkat ba ka prime ni na haliang ko samusol ru ni kwa ban kuntu iki samla kumo bakin wan ban ai kerteng jongki ba kin yadon bentalang hakani ka jinge persang jong ka prime but kani ka jing perkhat ka bathma gari ban don wan no hakani ka jela jungi khanang ba ngin ki ono ko por ndai ban susania ba ta kam sarkar ba tang hinyok san hajar lut na ka lai pholak tam kamumot tang 8% ru kampat kon ide lenti ba di jingkhang yet mo jong no ni jingkhang barit te kalong ki ka ba sosi pat ba ki bril ki perkhat la yo kam sarkar mo yo kam tinga thrai ka ni ka jing perkhat ni hap ban penkelano bat kandon ka jing kadang kalau gue pernah dengan mentakin ki samla bat ki bril ki ba seng ya lagi jong ikam te kani ka jing persang ni ba kani ka daga bat ho ni jing wai kadai kumnuru ban yarap ya kitu hi ki bril ki ba don ka jing la ki ba don ka jing i ki kam ki ba song thu i ka jing khot bat kum ta ter bat ni kermen ba kani ka jing wai kan keren bril bat kan yarap ban ai but ai bor bat ban ai sin ya kisamla bat kibring bakum kita risibon.
With the intention to preserve and conserve rites and rituals, customs and beliefs of aged-old ancestors on the 17th of January, Marwat Sojair Committee once again got the opportunity to organize the 4th Sojair ceremony, which had to be postponed due to the pandemic. The committee included various games and competitions in order to illuminate the ceremony, including traditional dancing and singing competitions, football, brain games and others. This Sojair ceremony was inaugurated by Victor Rani, Nongpo MDC, as a chief guest with the company of Paim Ken's aims of clan Marwet, elderly and other people.
Abang ingai ba haman kasnam haman si nangdu ikan dastur te nanggadang kwa ba kana kan ini kan namar ba hangne idon kaput dong ka asam te mut kamtam nagada ni teli pat kini ki member dong kan ka Sojair committee pat kinang san dong karai tinge teli ka we te rang pat kat pat ki pat dong kirai bro Shillong yok san Shillong teli kumne te po jong ka hemamlim ni teli kumne kan pala he da ka borla jong
the government of Meghalaya withdraws another 500 crores through the contingency fund. The money is intended to use for an urgent need of the government since it exhausted the budget which was assented by the Legislative Assembly in the budget session for all the expenses throughout the year.
So basically we had a small cabinet meeting today and the main So we had a very small cabinet meeting today, and the reason of the cabinet meeting is simply to increase the provisions of the contingency fund. The purpose is very simple, that while the money and the funds are available for us to spend, the budgetary provisions are not there. Because in the budget, the amount that was budgeted, the amounts we have spent on it, we have already spent more than what was budgeted in the budget. Hence, then we have to go for supplementary demands and all these things. And when those provisions are not there, then we go into the contingency fund. So just to explain to everybody so that we are all aware that this is basically a provision of a budgetary provision so that it will allow us to be able to spend the money which have not been provided in the budget itself. So hence we had to enhance that. For example, now we'll be receiving another 100 crores more from central government for MG and REGS. And we have already exhausted the provisions within the budget, though the funds are coming in. So to be able to allow us to spend that, we have to increase the provisions through the contingency fund. And hence that provision is being created. We also have to support, say, for example, the MECL in this year itself. Government of Meghalaya has spent and given funds of over 400 crores to support MECL in its functioning. And hence now we need more funds to be given to them, to MECL, and the funds are there with us to give, but the budgeted provisions are not there. Hence, today's meeting was to increase the contingency fund so that we are able to give that budgetary provision, so that more spending, which funds are available, can be done for the different budgets that are there. There are different heads that are there. That's all it is. It has been enhanced from 1300 now to, sorry, just one second. From 1300 now to 1800.
Two partymen of All India Trinamool Congress AITC, Derek O'Brien, MP Rajya Sabha, and Dr. Manas Ranjan, Bhunia, manager of the party in Meghalaya, canvassed for the upcoming elections in South Tura constituency for the candidate of Richard Morong Marak's party against the Chief Minister Konrad K. Sangma from National People's Party NPP. South Tura constituency is the main hub for political parties, which includes the AITC, BJP and UDP, to defeat Konrad K. Sangma from NPP, who presently holds the position of the Chief Minister of the state.
Doktor Mukul Sangmani, Zat Kublak Patatna, Trinamool Congress, Kublak Patatna, Ajin Zat Kunami Warachakna, Black Warachakna, Aran Chingi, Dejangna, Namgapa secure future ko, Pangkam Kapa, future country, na, Hayan Chinku, Mungna, Anika Sara, Bagapapa, Anika Sara, Chadambe, the Pinkska. Somayo, Nasimanku Yat Kensmoma, Nasiman Lakperi, Baha. The week ni support ko अच्छा लगती है South Tura में कितना हुआ enrollment actually for week card 4,000 enrollment हाँ चला क्या जप्पा दोकना है अंथांग थांगना yan sakki yes we will together with the people's support will bring Trinamool Congress Party will bring TMC will bring a transformational change in Tura, in Garo Hills, in Meghalaya.
Two gentlemen from Garo Hills, Akam Kit Sangma and Coverfield Marak, who had merged with BJP before the Chief Minister of Assam, Himanta Biswas Sharma, welcomed the two gentlemen on the 17th of January in Babupara, Tura, by the leaders of BJP.
안탕탕한 리더게 안탕탕 나 만자 너데 벌시고 거먹 내도 문자 장기 탕한 거먹 내 동계 녹술 송술 봐 아, 지금 뽑고 레지스터 갔다 오다 안 지금 장기 탕한 거먹 허나니 하자 살아 허나니 하자 그냥 내 앞에 동도 나면 이거 안 찍고 so you have this a very big question so awareness ko doon nangen yan kita pa scheme nang bude daw naman gets more than ina dem it impossible manifesto nibo dawde angaba saksa BJP party ni aspiring candidate so BJP party ni aspiring candidate only on BJP party national party talgaba party number 1 party daw the best so party ni kita je manifesto ko tharigan waran wagen.
The leaders of All India Trinamool Congress AITC informed on the 17th of January that only two leaders from the party fled for NPP and not like earlier around 26 members fled the party for another. The leaders of AITC Pin Ursula unit informed that the party remains intact and united as one up till the present day.
Ngimdon kay kanu kita kajing korpat ane kajing pra coba kunhun coba tim siap fokus lah.
Ngagum jan sekretari goblok ngabak kliu nang ba kamsim dan kanu kajing huri hura na kajing pat hak parti hak kunusla namar hadu mentan nado pi benai belayayat ni kalau ke ek masuk phala ba ya kan parti lah pedang dek pat ba jangan konstitusi ba kajing urstep kajing postet jangan parti kadai ka ai ka ba ki brio ki sotho padan ka jingkala dan kam tak bathamai dan kam de nong ilam bathamai dan kam tak party bathamai ban ha ka bede ba kitu ki samla ko man shong nong ka jing ong nang ki ba ka ai pa ka control langi ta kam de namak ai pa ka retang ka consultancy la ne ka nong yarap ya ka party TMC kum ba ka yarap ki party menchua shi ki jela ban ha ka ni khlemat kum ba kalom ka itu ki samla ba ki wan chingi kamdan jing mus kisha bang lapin scam ki public asko no president ko youth namar balai ba hakapa ki wan chimiru ki wan da jingmut bani sulok bani trailam.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.